Hi, welcome to the chapter number 21. Here we will discuss the objective of promotion. Okay, now in the previous chapter, we understood two things. First, the core principle behind each promotion, which is to show them an offer but never pitch in that moment. And second, you understood where your prospects are spending more time, where you can show your offers, right? Two things we understood from the previous chapter. Now, the next question comes, how do I follow up with those customers so that I can sell at some point, right? The main objective is to sell the affiliate program, right? So that we will do through follow up so that at some point the customer will buy from us. If not, there is no point in showing them the offer at the first place, right? So, so let's go back to the coffee shop example. You already figured out that she is your prospect, right? She is looking out for a marriage counselor and you are in the same niche. Now, what if you just ask to the waiter to leave a pamphlet that says free marriage consultation for 1 hour, and bookings are available based on calls only, and the offer valid only for next 24 hours, right? And along with that, a free booklet that says 9 steps you can save your marriage. Now, what do you think you are doing here? What are the chances of converting that prospect into a client if you follow this strategy? So the answer to the second question is obviously above like 50 to 60%. And so the chances now is more than if you would have pitched her directly for a consultation as you did in the example in the previous chapter, right? And what's the reason why the conversion will go very high here? I will give you 3 reasons for that. First reason, you are removing all the objections by giving her a free 1 hour consultation, right? And this will give her a chance to evaluate your service, correct? Second reason, you are instantly building credibility by giving her a free 9 step guide which she can take and put in immediate action to make her marriage work, correct? And third reason, you are building scarcity for next 24 hours, which means she is definitely going to call and book an appointment whether she is visiting you in real for the consultation or not, correct? Because she is not losing anything. See, it's up to her whether she wants to visit for the consultation or not. It's up to her. Now this is the whole reason of a promotion. You see, by applying this technique, you are not making her conscious at all. Okay, in fact, you are tapping into a very critical buyer psychology. That is, you are giving her the complete authority to take decision. Okay, whether she should come for the consultation or not. It's her choice. It's her decision. Okay, and while doing that, you are also able to capture some valuable matrices from her that can help you on future follow-up with your customer. Now, in this particular example, you got her phone number, right? And on that booking appointment, when she will call you to book an appointment, you can take all the other details as well, like, for example, email address or physical address or any other details you want, right? So this is how you will promote online as well. Okay, the whole objective of your promotion is to first give something of value for instant credibility so that they can immediately use that to solve their current pain points. Okay, the second reason of a promotion online, whether it is offline or online, this is what you will do. The second reason is capturing your prospects' contact details so that you can follow up in future. Okay, so this is the main objective, guys, when it comes to create a promotion, whether it is online or offline. Okay, and with that, we are done with this chapter. In next chapter, we will understand what are various techniques to implement these promotional tactics. Okay, but before you leave, let me tell you one more cool stuff that you will get inside the Super Affiliate Bundle program. Okay, that is, I will walk you through in creating your own promotional content, which is how to set up high converting lead capture pages. Okay, plus I will also give you some free tools using which you can come up with your own free giveaways for your prospects, which will build instant credibility. Okay, plus you will get to see various follow-up email sequences that has proven to convert. Now, isn't it exciting? Right? So what are you waiting for? If you haven't yet gone through the Elite Super Affiliate Bundle program, just click the link below and get the full access today. Okay, okay, I will see you in the next chapter then. Okay, till then, stay healthy, keep smiling, and remember, whatever you are trying now, you can always try harder. Okay, and I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.